Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on this laptop. So in order to do this, select the date time icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, right click on it, then select adjust date and time, and in the following window, in order to change the time zone, you can expand this list and select the time zone that fits you. And if you want to change the time and date, you have to switch this toggle to the left, then select change and select the correct date and time. Now be aware that if you set an incorrect date and time, then you'll lose access to many online services until you correct the date and time, because many online services require date and time to be correct in your system. To change them, you have to expand this list and select the values that you need, then click change, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.